Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to erase data from your Samsung phone. Before wiping your device, it's crucial to back up all your important photos, videos, and documents to a cloud service like Google Drive or to your computer. Next, remove your Google and Samsung accounts from the phone to prevent activation lock issues. Finally, make sure your phone has at least 50% battery life to avoid interruptions during the process. These steps ensure a smooth and secure data erasure. The most common way to erase your data is through the Settings menu. Start by opening your phone settings, then scroll down and tap on General Management. From there, select Reset, and then choose Factory Data Reset. Carefully review the list of all data that will be permanently deleted. Once you're ready, confirm your decision and enter your PIN or password to initiate the factory reset process. This method is straightforward and effective for most users. If your phone is unresponsive or you can't access the settings, you can perform a factory reset using recovery mode. First, power off your device completely. Then, press and hold the volume up and power buttons together. Release them when the Samsung logo appears, and you'll enter recovery mode. Use the volume buttons to navigate to Wipe Data/Factory Reset and select it with the power button. Confirm by selecting Yes to begin the data erasure. After the factory reset, your phone will restart and guide you through the initial setup. Take a moment to verify that all your personal data, accounts, and settings have been completely erased. For an extra layer of security, especially if you're selling or donating your phone, consider encrypting the device before performing the factory reset. Don't forget to physically remove your SIM card and any external storage, such as an SD card, before handing over the device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.